Hey everyone, ever feel like you're stuck, just spinning your wheels and not getting anywhere? A lot of the time that feeling comes from trying to be perfect. We want the perfect plan, the perfect result, the perfect everything before we even start. But what if I told you the secret isn't perfection, but progress? Think about it. Every single day, taking one small step forward is way more powerful than waiting for the perfect moment that might never come. Did you write one sentence today? That's progress. Did you go for a 5-minute walk? That's progress. These tiny wins add up. They build momentum. So let's ditch the all-or-nothing mindset. Embrace the messy, imperfect journey of getting better, one step at a time. It's about being better today than you were yesterday. Celebrate your small victories because that's where real growth happens. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips.